is understanding culture, society, and politics. So let's begin with social desirable. Any rational individual will always aspire for things that give wealth, power, and prestige. The ability of an individual to realize such aspirations is constrained by situations where one is born into. The explanation is our desire for wealth, power, and prestige is often limited by the circumstances of our birth. And the next is the status, your position within society. Structure reflecting your role and influence, not necessarily your personal worth and achievements. And we will tackle about different status in different ways. Achieved statuses. Achieved status which are earned by the individuals. Examples are honors received in schools, good job, award for winning a competition, etc. It's all about earned position based on efforts, accomplishment, and your skills. And the second one is ascribed statuses. Ascribed statuses which are assigned or given by the society or group on the basis of some fixed category. Examples are sex, family background, and ethnicity, etc. It labels by given society based on fixed traits. On this page is the prestige. Prestige refers to the evaluation of status. You have prestige according to your status. Example is being senior student. You have the prestige of a senior student to your school. The prestige doesn't apply directly to you as a person, but rather to the social category to which you belong. Senior class. Respect given to a social position, not the category. And lastly, we have esteem. Esteem refers to the assessment of our role, behavior. The measures of esteem we have depends on how well we carry out our role. If you perform well, get an outstanding rating, you get and have a high esteem. Esteem is self-worth based on how good you performed its role or your role. And here's the example of esteem. Example number 1 is the chef. Role as chef in restaurant performance. The chef consistently creates delicious and innovative dishes, earning praise from customers and colleagues. Esteem. The chef feels proud and confident in their abilities, knowing they are excelling in their role. Example number 2. The athlete. Role as soccer player on a team. Performance. The athlete trains hard, plays well in games, and contributes to the team's success. Esteem. The athlete feels valued and respected, knowing they are making a positive impact on the team. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you learned something new on this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.